to make S hands. And the rule is, you should not let it fall. Okay, done. In that sense, you can put it in your fridge. Hey, no purple. And now, do this. Bye guys. See you later. Later when we're finished building, we will make another video to how you play it, so that you will know how you play Uno. And it's not even, but it's okay. We can still, since we played it